Sylvia and her husband Warren spend most of their weekends with family and friends, enjoying their backyard and saltwater pool.
So today we're in my backyard. This is my pool. We hang out here all the time. We have a lot of family, friends.
Yep, we're enjoying the warm sunshine here in Florida. We're from Wisconsin, so it's nice and cold there.
Okay, so Lauren, here's the pool.
Today, Lauren from Compass Minerals is stopping by to chat about SureSoft pool salt.
I'm really curious to hear what Lauren has to say. We've had the pool for about a year. It's salt water.
80% of all newly constructed pools are saltwater pools because people are becoming more aware of all the many benefits that a saltwater pool can provide.
When we swim at my mother-in-law's house, she has a traditional chlorine pool. My boy's eczema flares up if they don't take a shower right after. We're noticing here with the saltwater pool that they don't need to shower right away.
One of the common misconceptions of a saltwater pool is that it tastes salty, and it doesn't. It's actually the same salinity level as the tears in your eyes.
I know the saltwater systems really make a difference on my skin, on my eyes. I really feel a difference. I used to have a chlorine pool, and this feels so much different. I have sensitive skin, so sometimes I would just get really irritated. I actually didn't swim as much.
And it requires less maintenance, too.
I don't worry about the maintenance. That's really Warren.
Oh, okay. Even though Sylvia said her husband handles all the maintenance on the pool, he will appreciate that he doesn't have to store and handle any of the hazardous chemicals. It's actually very easy. You pour it around the edges of the pool. They're quick dissolving crystals, and it's very easy to maintain. SureSoft pool salt is a very high purity salt for your saltwater pool. So it is going to give you that natural feeling. It's going to make the water feel more soft on your skin.
I like anything that's good for my skin. I really do.
And SureSoft pool salt really delivers that enhanced swimming experience that Sylvia and her family desire. It's 100% natural, and it's a high purity salt.
And that's reason to celebrate.
Boys, are you having a good time?
Yeah!
Sylvia and Warren's home is absolutely beautiful. I would love to come visit again and attend one of their pool parties.
For more information about SureSoft salt, go to suresoftwater.com or designingspaces.tv.
You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.